Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how to change, that means increase or decrease, column width in Excel. So let's start. So there are several methods. I will go one by one. So first method is like, let's say if you want to change the column width of this column, say let's say first column, then select that column, right click, you will get one option column width, and here the value which is currently present, that is 12.22, which is current width of that column that is present. So I want to change that. I want to change that to 19, let's say. So I will write 19 here and will click on OK. Now you can see the column width has changed, it is increased. Now let's say I want to increase the column width of two columns, let's say first and second columns. Then I will select these two columns and again right click, go to column width and put the value, let's say 19 for both. Then I will put 19 here and click on OK. So you can see the column width of both these two columns has changed. So this is for first method, where I will select the column or columns and right click, then go to change. There is one option column width and I can change from there. So this is method number one. Method number two is I will select the column for which I want to make the change, and in the home tab I will go to format options, which is in the right side, and we'll click on that. Here there is one option column width. We'll click on that and the current value is present. I will put the value I want it to be changed, that is 19, and click on OK. Now you can see the after clicking OK, the column width A, first column width, has changed. Now similarly, if I want to make the changes in first two columns, the second or third column, let's say multiple columns, then I will select those columns, go to home option, and in the format again I will click and go to column width, and from there I can make the changes, let's say 19 or 20, whatever value I want to make the change. So you can see the column width has changed for second and third column. So once again, the first method is like I will select the column or columns, right click, go to column width, and then from there I can change. Second method is I will select the column or columns, go to home tab, and in the right side I will found format, which is this option, and from there I will change the column width. Now there are some more ways, like you can see for the second column some values are not properly visible, like this is Chennai, Kolkata or Hyderabad, Bengaluru. This value is not properly visible, some part of it is hidden. So if I want the whole cell, means all the cells or all the values to be clearly visible, then I have to auto fit the column weights. By doing the auto fit, every value in every cell will be properly visible. For that, what I can do, I will select that column, I will go to home tab, and in the right hand side again I will go to format, and here is one option auto fit column width. Now once I click on this, you can see the changes in column, second column, that is city column. I am clicking on this. Now you can see all the values currently visible, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, all those values which were previously hidden is now visible, that is auto fit. Now this is one method of auto fitting. Another method is like I will go to the border line, this line of that column. Let's say I want to make the changes in column, second column, city column. I will go to the border zone and put my cursor there. A cross sign will come. Now you can see the cross sign there. This is the cross sign. So I will double click on that, and after double clicking you can see it is already auto fitted. So there are two ways of auto fitting. One is double clicking on the junction, another is go selecting the column, go to home tab and go to format on the right hand side. These are the methods of changing the column width to a particular value or auto fitting. There is one more method using which we can change. So the method is like, let's say I want to increase this column width, so what I will do, I will again go to the junction, put my cursor there, and I can manually drag it to increase or decrease. I will again, I am saying I will go to the junction, I will select that and then can increase or decrease. If I decrease this, let's say to this, now the height will become this. And if I want now to it to be increased, I will again go to that junction and again drag it as much as I want. So using this way also we can easily increase or decrease by dragging. So these are the methods which we can use to change the column height. That's it. If you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.